What is this? A hazelnut toddy. And I'm having Kalucho. It's coffee accented with Kahlua, Frangelico, and Romchata. This is good. We're currently at Fitgers. They have the cute puppy contest. Look at him, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, look at him. Look at him. So cute. He's so cute. Hi. Oh my god, he's so cute. 31. Can I pet him? Yeah. Hi. He's happy. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Ah. Puppy. He's so cute. Oh, it's a sheep.
Yeah. So you have husky, half.
Oh my god. He's so cute. Someone. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. You're so cute. You have such nice color. Sit. Sit. Oh, good girl. There you go. Oh, there you go. Good girl. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, just loving the belly rub. Looks like a speakeasy. Yeah. That looks so creepy. That's funny. Oh, hi. Hi. Hiya. You are so cute. You're so cute. Hi. Oh, stretch, stretch.
What's her name?
Hi, welcome to Pet Him. This is Jen.
Can I give this hand?
Oh, sure.
Here you go.
Oh, I don't like it.
You like it? Oh, good girl. So cute. It's like heaven today. It's like puppy heaven. I want a dog. But I'm so allergic. I touched some dogs. And my hand is contaminated, so I can't touch my face. But I want a dog so much. I don't know what to do. They have really cute ramen bowls, but they're so expensive. It's like $30 for this. And this rice cooker, which is so tiny, is $200.
You probably like that, right?
Ooh, they have black truffle oil. So this is what you use. It's a grater plate. So for garlic, you just have to like grind it in there or grate it in there. And this What the heck? I don't think so too. Crazy stuff. Cheese heaven. We are eating at the India Palace because we want Indian food. Lunch buffet. Dinner time. Food is here. It's naan bread, garlic naan bread, rice, beef vindaloo, and my biryani. And there's this thing. Looks so good.
Maybe it's too soon. Yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose? Gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight. Cause I'm over with some friends, and I'm over sending texts, and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house
Oh, the show was so amazing.
in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you staying in, or are you down to go out?
Hi everyone, good morning. Let's do a quick get ready with me since we're going out today.
You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you staying in, or are you down to go out? If it gets too late, we'll go back to my house. Better get here fast, cause I really need to feel you right now. Cause I know you're ADD, but just focus here on me, cause I need to feel you here tonight. Yeah, we're having people here, and we'll get a little weird, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you close?
But my SSN updated, which is long overdue, which I should have done like a month ago. currently waiting in line, and the line is so long. It goes all the way back there. After half an hour of waiting, I think it's finally moving. But the line is like really long now. It took all the way back there. We're now waiting for a number to be called to get in the buffet. And while waiting, we're gonna play. Because we lost our $5. Let's see if we win $253,000.
Gave you my doubts and I watched them go. Gave you my fears and we took them slow.
I did bring my own butter, but it's hard. Let me try putting this in. See if it melts it. Yay, that worked. It melted. Because I don't want just butter.
Good.
Here's my food. The other slice is mine. Look at this.
Right.
It tastes good. I should have brought our scoopers.
Yeah. And it doesn't crack all the way.
I am now so tired and full. I ate a lot of crab legs. Here, let me show you our damage. Look at this bucket. It's a huge bucket. All crab legs. Oh, sounds pretty.
Gave me your warmth when I was so cold.
Currently here at the Aunt's house. We all decided to meet up for Super Bowl, and I'm here early to help her cook, but I did bring some food. Let me show you. I brought shawmai with chili garlic oil and my lemon loaf. Currently frying some chicken. There's barbecue here. Here's our food. We have chips for Super Bowl with chicken, of course. Oh my god. We have humba, and then shawmai, and then chicken, and pancit, and barbecue. Yeah. And then chicken then. We have so much chicken today. And lumpia.
Allergy later.
And bibingka, puto,
Hi.
lemon cake, and
Bilo bilo.
bilo bilo.
Bilo bilo.
Bilo bilo.
Ang puto, mambit-bit ako ka.
Oh, yun na.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid. But darling, if you stay, be somewhere far
Everything was so good. Thank you to Ate Ams for opening your home and busting your butt to keep us fed, and to everyone else who brought food as well. It was an eventful couple of weeks with warm weather and mostly clear skies. Fingers crossed we get some more. Thanks to every one of you for watching. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see more of. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos.